Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to find out if because we are the same thing, the same problem, right? With many agile teams, right? And we are trying to adopt like the scale agile framework, say 4.0, and we're trying to evaluate certain products, and Jira Portfolio is actually one of them. So given that it's going undergoing a massive makeover, is it going to align with any of this? Is it going to align to like scale agile 4.0 or any things in the pipeline?
Right, right. So I don't know about specific frameworks as part of that, but I did want to clarify one thing in the question that you asked. What's being planned right now isn't a massive overhaul, right? So in the 1.0 to 2.0, that was a massive overhaul. And the 2X line is what's currently GA. As we move to 3X, there will be improvements, but it shouldn't be as massive a shift as when we went from 1 to 2. I think they do want to take some of the lessons learned from what you guys have already experienced, feed that back in, prioritize our backlog a little bit differently, go back and reflect on some of the competitive angles. Same as you guys would do building out your own application, right? What's the backlog? How do we prioritize it? Who are the competitors? What are the real things that we need to have? How do we make it work at scale? What are our customers telling us? We do this as well, right? We manage our backlog in Jira. We take input from you from jira.atlassian.com. We give voice to a lot of our partners through a specialized channel called PFD, which is a product feedback desk, which actually is a JSD instance that I manage. So all tickets globally that come in from one of you with a, hey, why doesn't Portfolio do this? Because I have a customer in Singapore that really wants it. That lands on my desk in Sydney. And then I get to go have a chat with the product manager and go, oh, hey, I think maybe we need to prioritize this because I'm seeing a common trend from people who are looking at Portfolio. That iteration is what has led to where that team is at right now. But it's not a drastic overhaul or revamp of the code line. It's more how do we resort our backlog and make sure that we're putting a product out there that's as competitive as possible for that need. So that's what we're doing right now. But I think it's important to address that. This isn't going to be another massive, because 1.0 to 2.0 were two different products, basically. It's not going to be quite that drastic. We'll just be smarter about what we put in this next time around.